Hi, everybody. I hope your day is going well so far. I am Beverly Grandison with Premier Health and Wellness Consulting, where we believe everyone deserves to make an informed decision. You have frequent headaches, you're tired all the time, constipation, joints, and bones ache. Guess what? It could be something as simple as dehydration. Not to mention depression, anxiety, could literally be lack of your water intake. That's what we're going to be talking about today. The importance of water. Everybody knows we're supposed to be drinking more water a day. How much water, you ask? It usually is half your body weight in ounces of water a day. Understanding that your body's made out of 60 to 70% water. Your bones, tissue, muscles need water. Dr., and I hope I'm saying his name correctly, Dr. Batmanghelidj, he's a medical doctor who wrote the book, Water for Health, for Healing, for Life. You're not sick, you're thirsty. And he gave 46 reasons why water is so important. Think about this, y'all. There are dialysis centers popping up on every corner. Why do you think that is? One, we have medication overload. Our bodies are trying to process too much and the toxins are just too much for it. And then many people are not drinking enough water. So here is how you do this. Easy, okay? Get your urine as clear as possible, and the test is definitely in the morning. I want you to look at what you void in the morning. And if you have that blue stuff in your toilet, you know yellow and blue makes green, and you're in trouble. So you really need to drink a lot more water, okay? Remember the formula, half your body weight in ounces. So let's use a 200-pound person as an example. A 200-pound person has to drink 100 ounces. So guess what? Here's a 50-ounce bottle. 50 ounces, 2 of these would make 100 ounces. It's this simple, y'all. 33 ounces, about 3 of these are gonna give you your 100 ounces, because everybody has a different way of looking at how much water they can intake. This might be too big for some people. Well, here's the favorite 20 ounce, okay? 20 ounces, guess what? 5 of these. And then 7 of these, right? For the 16 ounces. And then of course, some people can literally do 12 of these a day. And that's okay if that's who you are. But I'm gonna be honest, you better do what makes your boat float and drink more water. Hopefully this water visual was very beneficial for you and you understand how easy it is to get water into your system. I wanna hear this week how you're doing on your water intake and what it's doing for your body. Find out more information and get your 46 reasons why water is so important. Go to my website, www.premierhealthwellness.com. And on there, you'll find all the information on how to contact us, our email address, to leave a message. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, all the social media handles. And we always want to hear from you. Make it a great week.